Welcome back to the MSU Assessment channel. This video is part of the SPOL Assessment Platform tutorial series and is brought to you by the Institutional Assessment Team at Murray State University. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to submit the assessment plan or report for administrative units. Let's get started. From the SPOL homepage, make sure you selected the correct academic or fiscal year from the Planning or Reporting Year drop-down menu. Then, click the Assessment module icon. From the Assessment sidebar, click the All Assessments link. Now, click the drop-down menu right beside the All Assessment by Program heading. Then, select the option by Administrative Unit. Once redirected to the All Assessment by Administrative Units page, select the name of the unit to submit its corresponding plan or report. For this example, we will use the Office of Institutional Effectiveness unit. Once redirected to the Administrative Unit Details page, click the Reviews tab. Next, click the UAC Annual Unit Review lane. Then, choose the Unit-Assessment Plan lane if you're submitting a plan. Or choose the Unit-Assessment Report lane if you're submitting a report. For this example, we are submitting a plan. From the Response window pane, click the Draft drop-down menu. Then, select the Approve Review from the list. If you're assisting your unit's designated Administrative Assessment Coordinator, Submit for Approval will be your only option. Select Submit for Approval to send an automatic email to the Assessment Coordinator, prompting them to review and complete the submission process of the unit's plan or report. The Approval Notes dialog box will then appear, allowing you to type in any comments you may have. Finally, click Approve. After submitting the plan or report, 3 indicator dots will appear in the drop-down menu. The first dot should be green, indicating that the plan or report has been successfully submitted. If the first dot is in yellow color, that indicates that the plan or report is pending for the assessment coordinator's final approval. Yellow dot also means that the Office of Institutional Effectiveness have not received the plan or report. And there you have it. You just successfully submitted a plan or report. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to MSU Assessment YouTube channel for more helpful tutorials and updates. Or contact us at msu.assessment@murraystate.edu if you have any questions. For more information about Outcomes Assessment at Murray State, please visit our website by clicking the About link in the description box below. Happy assessing, and go Racers!